Let me tell you a story. A few years ago, I was living paycheck to paycheck, struggling to make ends meet. I thought there was no way out. But then I stumbled upon something that completely changed my life. A simple habit that cost me almost nothing. It was just $5 a day. I know it sounds too simple, but what if I told you that $5 could grow into a fortune? What if you could wake up one day and realize that small, consistent choices put you on the path to financial freedom? Trust me, you're about to discover something that could change your future forever. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to take control of your financial destiny. It might seem like $5 a day is too small to matter. I get it. But here's where the magic happens. Compounding. When you invest $5 every single day, you're not just putting your money to work today. You're planting seeds for the future. In fact, if you invest $5 a day at an average return of 8% per year, in just 30 years, you'll have over $100,000. And that's just $5 a day. No sacrifices, no crazy risks, just consistency. Think about it. A cup of coffee costs more than $5, or a quick snack. What if you started shifting that small daily spend towards something that grows your wealth? Imagine waking up one day to see that your small sacrifices today turned into freedom tomorrow. Now, let me take you deeper. The most powerful thing about investing $5 a day isn't just the money. It's the mindset shift. Every time you invest, you're telling your future self that you believe in your ability to create financial freedom. You're telling yourself that you deserve more than just the daily grind, that you're willing to invest in your future. And that's where the real transformation happens. This is bigger than money. It's about changing the way you think. You see, financial freedom isn't just a dream. It's a decision. A decision you make every day, no matter how small, that brings you closer to living life on your terms. Let's break this down. You've probably heard of compounding before, but let's look at it in a way that might blow your mind. When you invest $5 a day, it doesn't just sit there. Each day, your money earns a return, and that return starts earning returns on itself. Over time, this creates an exponential growth curve. Your money starts working harder for you. The longer you wait, the more powerful the snowball effect becomes. The key is time. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to compounding. The earlier you start, the more you benefit. Even if you start small, with just $5 a day, you're giving yourself the advantage of time, which is priceless. I started small, and look where it's taken me. And guess what? You can start today, right now. Now, let's talk about what you're really building. It's not just money. It's peace of mind. It's freedom. You're building a future where you don't have to worry about bills or emergencies. You're building a life where you control your time and your choices. Imagine being able to take vacations without worrying about the cost, or working from wherever you want, not because you have to, but because you can. What if you could wake up each day knowing your financial future is already taken care of? You see, financial freedom isn't just about the money. It's about the life it creates for you. And that's what compounding does for you. It gives you the freedom to live your best life, with no limits. Now, here's the hard truth. The only way this works is if you start today. If you wait until tomorrow, you lose the power of time. If you don't take action now, you'll never know what you could have built. But here's the good news. It's easy to get started. You don't need a huge investment, a complicated strategy, or even a financial advisor. You just need to make the decision to start. Click the link in my description to discover methods that will fast-track your journey to financial freedom. I've put together some powerful strategies that will show you exactly how to make your money work for you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now and take the first step toward building your empire. I want you to take control of your financial destiny right now. Don't wait until tomorrow. Click that link Start your journey and join the thousands of others who are already on their way to financial freedom. And hey, if this video sparked something inside you, hit that like button, leave me a comment below with your thoughts on how $5 a day can change your life, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. I'm here to help you succeed. Remember, your future is built by the decisions you make today. Let's make those decisions count. I know this might feel like a small step, but trust me, it's one that can lead to a life-changing transformation. Take that first step, and you'll be amazed at how far you can go. Remember, it's not about the size of the investment. It's about the consistency and the belief in your future self. Start today and let compounding work its magic. You're capable of achieving the life of your dreams, and it all starts with just $5 a day.